I didn't sit down to make 6 digital products. I was actually working on rebranding my YouTube system, but I opened up Canva, I did some research, I opened up a whiteboard document, and by the time I had finished, I had had 6 digital products while I was reworking my YouTube branding system. It was kind of wild. And here's how you can do that too. The first thing you want to do is you want to focus on solving one real problem, one very real problem. And that problem has to be something that you are facing right now. The second thing is you want to document the system while you're building it. After that, you want to turn each individual standalone asset into a digital product. Then you're ready to package up that asset properly. So that's in the form of like a checklist or a guide or a template. And you can also stack all of those individual assets into one core offer as well. So let me show you what my system looked like so you can do the exact same thing. Okay, so the first thing that I did was I opened up a whiteboard in Canva. So you can go create new design and just type in whiteboard and you'll find it there. Now, whiteboards give you the ability to have unlimited space, which is why I think this works so well, because when I finally realized I'd created an entire system in 6 digital products, it was only because this whiteboard allowed me to do freedom thinking and like actually mapping everything out. So what I did was I put my logo up there just for branding and things like that. And I actually wrote what I was trying to do here. I've renamed it the YouTube branding setup, but I actually wrote my goal of what I was trying to do originally and like what my problem was. So I wrote in here, like, I think it was actually something like, my YouTube looks ugly and isn't me. So I think I wrote something like that. And my goal was to try and fix that problem. I'll just write is not me because my typing and my spelling's not very good. So I wrote that. That was my problem. I was like, okay, how am I gonna solve this problem? The problem was my YouTube looked ugly. It didn't align with me anymore. The branding wasn't correct and it just didn't represent me anymore. And so what I did was I started going on a little bit of a journey. So I put in my current YouTube and I screenshotted all of the different things. Okay, now you can do this with any problem you're having. This helps your brain work out exactly what you need in terms of an overall system and how you can actually create multiple digital products at once. So I looked at what I currently have. If you have nothing, then you can write, like, let's just say you're doing Instagram. So you would look at your Instagram and you would go, okay, here's my Instagram account and I haven't got a profile picture. I haven't got a template for stories, or whatever it is that you're trying to do. Write things down that you do not have or that you're trying to do. So these are the things that I was looking at. So I'll do this as if I didn't have a YouTube. So these are the things I recognized that I needed. I needed a new thumbnail. I needed a new banner profile picture. I needed a new banner picture and a new profile picture. I needed new text on my banner profile picture because I know that that's really important when someone lands on there. And I needed some new description text for my profile, as well as the links and things like that as well. I also went a little bit deeper and I was like, okay, in YouTube, there's also playlists. And I was like, I need to either update these or just have a record of these so I know what is there as well and what they all look like. And then I started doing a little bit of research, and you can do this too. So whatever social media you're on, or even if you're creating a digital product, whatever it is, you do the research. So I was like, okay, well, I need the thumbnails. What am I going to try and actually do? So all you need to do is put what your research is. I would screenshot visuals of it. Okay. So, part of it, the big thing was the thumbnails. That's what I started with first. So I screenshotted, the ones that I found that were really successful, and then what I thought I could do. And I went out and I recreated those like myself, just taking pictures and things like that. So do a little bit of research and have a look and put your own product there. So for example, if you were doing Instagram, or if you were creating like an ebook, you would put covers there to just, get an inspiration of covers and what they actually look like and what's doing really well and what's successful. You don't have to do heaps and heaps, but I just did heaps because these were the different styles of videos that I wanted to do. Then I went to my next step, which was doing the banner profile. So I got some inspiration and I looked at some ones that were really successful, and then I made my own banner. And I also updated the text because, well, that's what it used to be, and then this is what I ended up doing. So going through that entire process, you can do it with any digital product. Start with your problem and then work through the problem and do it visually, and you will end up with templates, or you'll end up with some kind of design or something because you need to create them. So this is what I ended up with. I ended up with my YouTube banner template, a YouTube profile pic template. I ended up with a YouTube thumbnail, and I ended up with a YouTube community post template as well. I also ended up with a YouTube outro or end screen. And so I found all of those templates and created all of those digital products while I was solving the problem while I was doing it. Now, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digital products. And then this whole system that you see right here, that whole system that I've created, that is also a digital product. I'm sure there's more. The video that I'm creating right now could be a digital product. I could sell this digital product, but I'm putting on YouTube. But you could sell that whole system that you've created as well as all of those digital products. So I think this is a really great way to try and create more digital products while you're actually solving your own issues and problems. And it seems really complicated, but it's actually not, because when you're trying to solve your own problems, then you can actually see your own thought process going through and then figuring out what it is that you need. And then you end up coming out with all of these digital products. And because I've created these, I needed to create these anyway, I've ended up with 6 digital products that I can now sell. Now, the cool thing about this is because these are digital products that I've created myself, and I know that everybody needs them now, because if I need it, then somebody else needs it. They're really authentic. They're really solving a problem. So my problem was that my YouTube looked ugly, and it's just not me, and I needed to rebrand it. So I have all of the Canva templates now. I have all of the process, and then I have my whole branding set up. So I can delete that now. And I actually had just thought of another thing that you could do as well. You probably couldn't package up just the YouTube profile picture, but if you wanted to sell these individually, you probably could. You could probably sell that as a package. So you could probably make up some other bundles as well. You could make a video with this YouTube banner profile picture. You could, so like how you actually update it. And so you could sell that as another digital product. Or you could do how you design YouTube thumbnails, and you could give the template and do a video. And you could also do community posts, how that works in a video. And the same as doing YouTube outro end screens. So that's actually more than 6 digital products in there. And I've only just sort of thought about it now, but that's why I think creating a system like this and creating your digital products in a flow like this actually works so much better. Now, I do have this exact template inside my Digital Product Academy, but copying a template without understanding a system, that's how people really stay stuck with digital products. If you actually want to build something that creates real freedom, not just random products, start with my free masterclass. It's called How to Create Digital Products That Sell and Build Real Freedom. That's where the full structure lies. The link's below.